Maple Ridge is a place shaped by forests, dense, ancient, and alive with stories. According to local lore, the region is home to famous folktales and mythical forest beings passed down through generations. Among them, one stands above the rest, the mysterious creature said to roam the mountains and river valleys, the Sasquatch.
Deep in the forests of Maple Ridge, British Columbia, locals whisper about a towering figure that has watched these lands far longer than any town, road, or logging trail, a creature of shadow, a guardian of the old woods, a legend that refuses to die. This is the tale of the Maple Ridge Sasquatch. Long before settlers arrived, the Coast Salish peoples told stories of Sasquatch, a powerful and elusive being who lived deep in the wilderness. To them, Sasquatch was not a monster, but a spiritual presence, a reminder that humans were not the only ones who walked these forests. These stories formed the earliest roots of the Maple Ridge legend. As Maple Ridge grew, so did the stories. Residents spoke of a massive, human-like figure glimpsed between cedar trunks. Heavy footsteps echoing through the underbrush. Unexplained screams or whistles in the night. Shadowy shapes moving along the riverbanks. Some described a creature nearly 8 feet tall, covered in dark hair, with a presence that felt both terrifying and strangely intelligent. These weren't just borrowed tales from the Pacific Northwest. They became Maple Ridge's own version of the legend, shaped by the land itself. The forests around Maple Ridge are the perfect hiding place, thick, fog-covered, and endless. Even today, hikers report strange sounds, overturned logs, and the eerie feeling of being watched. Whether these are animals, imagination, or something else entirely, the mystery remains. Over time, the Sasquatch became part of Maple Ridge's cultural identity. The legend inspired local art, community stories, and a shared sense of mystery. Here, the creature is more than folklore. It is a symbol of the wildness that still surrounds the town. Why does the Maple Ridge Sasquatch continue to fascinate? Maybe because the forests haven't changed as much as we think. Maybe because people still see things they can't explain. Or maybe because some legends are simply true enough to survive. In a world mapped by satellites and smartphones, the idea that something ancient still walks these woods is strangely comforting. Whether you believe in the Sasquatch or not, the forests of Maple Ridge hold stories older than memory. And sometimes, all it takes is one quiet walk in the woods to feel the presence of something watching from the trees. This is Forgotten Canada. And this was the legend of the Maple Ridge Sasquatch.